Good morning, dear students. Last time we had started determinants of any square matrix, and we had seen how can we find out the determinant of order of a square matrix of order 1, of order 2 and order 3. Today we will solve few problems based on determinant related to exercise 4.1. So everyone open your book exercise 4.1 and read question number first. We have to find out the determinant of this matrix. You can see this is in the form of determinant, and actually this is a 2 by 2 matrix, a square matrix of order 2. How can we find out the determinant of a matrix, a square matrix having order 2? That is equal to multiplication product of diagonal entries. Its diagonal entries are 2 and minus 1, so 2 into minus 1 minus of the product of diagonal entries, means 4 into minus 5. So it will be equal to 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, and this is minus minus plus 4 5 are 20, and 20 minus 2, that is 18. So determinant of this matrix, that is 18. Okay. Now question number second. Question number second. It has two questions in question number second. First one is determinant of cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Okay. So again the same thing. Product of the diagonal, that is cos theta into cos theta, that will be cos square theta, minus product of half diagonal. You can see this is minus sin theta, this is sin theta. So minus sin theta into sin theta is minus sin square theta, that is minus sin square theta. Okay, so it will be cos square theta minus minus plus sin square theta, and we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Okay. Now second of question number second. Evaluate the determinant of this matrix. See, that is the second of question number second. Determinant of x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Okay. So how can we find out the determinant of a square matrix of order 2? Find out the product of diagonal entries, that will be x square minus x plus 1 into x plus 1 minus product of off diagonal entries, that is x minus 1 into x plus 1. Clearly multiply these two, x square into x, that will be x cube, x square plus 1, that is x square, minus x into plus x, that is minus x square, minus x into plus 1, that is minus x, 1 into x, that is plus x, this one is minus x, and 1 into x plus x, and 1 into 1, that is 1. And minus, this is, you can say this is of the form a minus b into a minus a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square, so it will be x square minus 1. See, here plus x square and minus x square will be cancelled, here minus x and plus x will be cancelled, we have x cube plus 1 minus, you can see this is x square and minus 1 is plus 1. Okay. So this one will be x cube minus x square and plus 2. That is the determinant of this. Now question number third. I am going to solve question number third. Question number third is, if A is a matrix, question number third, A is a matrix having 1, 2, 4, 2, that is a square matrix of order 2, then so that to prove, what we have to prove? Determinant of 2A is equal to 4 times determinant of A. Okay. See, I am going to prove this. That is very interesting question. A is given. First of all, find out 2a. 2a will be what? See, 2 into product of this matrix, and we know that when a scalar is multiplied with a matrix, it will multiply to each entries of the matrix. So it will be equal to what? 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. So 2a is this matrix. And now you can see the left hand side of the what we have to prove. Left hand side is determinant of 2a. So 2a is a matrix. Now find out its determinant. So we have determinant of 2a is equal to, that is determinant of 2 4 8 4. You can see this is a square matrix of order 2. So how can we find out its determinant? Multiply diagonal entries, that is 2 into 4, minus multiply its off diagonal entries, that is 4 into 8. 4 into 8. Clearly, determinant of 2a is 4 2 is 8, 8 minus 4 8 is 32. So 32 minus 8 actually 8 minus 32, that is minus 24. Okay, minus 24. Now I am going to find out determinant of a. What will be the determinant of a? Determinant of a, that is determinant of 1 2 4 2. This is also a matrix of order 2. So how can we find out its determinant? By multiplying its diagonal entries, that is 1 into 2, minus multiplication of off diagonal entries, that is 2 into 4. Okay, so what we have from here? We have 2 minus 4 to the 8, that is minus 6. Minus 6. So you can see from here that determinant of a is minus 6 and determinant of 2a is minus 24. So how can we relate these two? See, determinant of 2a is minus 24. So minus 24 can be written as 4 into minus 6. 4 6 are 24. So 4 into minus 6 is minus 24. And now you can see this is 4 and minus 6 is what? That is determinant of a. Minus 6 is determinant of a. Determinant of a. So from here it is proved here that determinant of 2a is equal to 4 times determinant of a. Got it? So now I am going to solve next. Next question is same. Question number 4 is same, but I am going to solve this also because this is a matrix of order 3. So I am going to find out its determinant. It will be new for you. So everyone read question number 4. Question number 4 is, if A is a matrix is given, that is a square matrix of order 3, that is 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. Okay, and we have to show to prove what we have to prove, that determinant of 3a is equal to 27 determinant of a. Determinant of 3a is equal to 27 determinant of a. See, first of all find out determinant of a. So how can we find out determinant of a square matrix of order 3? It can be find out by using any row and any column. You know, in a square matrix of order 3 there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Clearly there will be 6 ways to find out the determinant of a square matrix of order 3. According to each row and according to each column, we can easily find out the determinant of any square matrix of order 3. Last time we had already I have already explained you that how can we find out this. So I am going to find out this by using first column. Okay, so that will be first column. First take this element. So first of all we have to write here. That is determinant of a. -1 to the power, -1 to the power its entry, ये कौन सी एंट्री है? दिस इज 1/1th एंट्री, दैट इज 1/1th एंट्री, फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम से रिलेटेड है, तो फर्स्ट रो प्लस फर्स्ट कॉलम, -1 to the power first row and first column. Now leave the first row and first column, leave first row and first column. Now what we have? We have these 4 entries here, so multiply these, find out the determinant of these 4 entries matrix, okay, and multiply this one also, that is into 1. हमें क्या करना होता है? 3/3 के मैट्रिक्स के डिटर्मिनेंट को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए पहले तो ये डिसाइड करना होता है कि कौन से रो को या फिर कौन से कॉलम के अकॉर्डिंग हम डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड आउट करेंगे। अब जिस भी रो या जिस भी कॉलम के अकॉर्डिंग हमें डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड आउट करना है, उसकी फर्स्ट एंट्री को लेते हैं और उसको देखो कि आप कौन सी एंट्री है। जैसे ये 1/1th एंट्री है तो -1 to the power 1 + 1 हो जाएगा, फिर उस एंट्री को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं इनटू, फिर वो एंट्री जिस रो और जिस कॉलम से रिलेट करता है उस रो और उस कॉलम को हम छोड़ देते हैं, तो 4 एंट्रीज आपको बची मिलती हैं। फोर एंट्रीज आपको बची मिलेंगी, उन 4 एंट्रीज को हम लिख लेते हैं और उनका डिटर्मिनेंट हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं, ओके। फिर प्लस, अब ये सेकेंड इस पे आ जाओ, सो दिस एलिमेंट रिलेटेड टू सेकेंड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम, तो -1 to the power सेकेंड रो प्लस फर्स्ट कॉलम। नाउ लीव दिस सेकेंड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम, वी हैव 0 1 0 4 0 1 0 4, find out its determinant, again plus, now this one, that is this element related to third row and first column, into 0 here also, third row first column, so -1 to the power third row first column into 0, that entry, and now leave this row and this column, this row and this column. So what we have? 0 1 1 2, okay. So determinant of A will be equal to, see, -1 to the power 2, -1 to the power 2 is +1 into, this is 1 into determinant of this one. See, this is a matrix of order 2/2, we can easily find out its determinant, multiply its diagonal entries, that is 1 into 4 minus off diagonal entries, that is 0 into 2. Now you can see these two, in these two terms 0 is present here, so whenever whatever this one or this one, when it multiplied with 0, answer will be 0, so that will be 0 plus 0. So what we have, determinant of A equals to, this one is 1 into 1, that is 1, this is 4 1 is 4, minus 0 into 2 0, so 4 minus 0 is 4, plus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 4. So determinant of A is 4. Now I am going to find out 3 times A. So 3A, 3A. So 3A will be, we have to multiply this matrix, each entries of this matrix by scalar 3, by constant 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 into 0 0, 3 1 ja 3, 3 into 0 0, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 0 ja 0, 3 0 ja 0, 3 4 ja 12, this one. Now I am going to find out its determinant. So determinant of 3A will be what? See, again I am going to find out its determinant using first column. So by using these entries. So clearly we have -1, because this entry is 1/1th entry, first row first column entry, so its power -1 to the power 1 plus 1 into this entry into determinant of that square matrix of order 2/2, which we can find out by leaving first row and first column. So leave this first row and first column, we have 3 6 0 and 12, okay, and plus you can see this entry, that will be 0. So whenever we can find out the value according to this entry, that will be equal to 0, because we have to multiply 0 in that term, so it will be 0. Also this one again 0. So as like this one, as like जैसे हम लोग डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए फाइंड आउट कर रहे थे तो ये दोनों टर्म्स 0 आ जा रहे थे वैसे. So again minus 1 to the power 2, that will be plus 1 into 3 into this one is product of diagonal entries, 3 into 12 minus 0 into 6, okay, and plus 0. So that is equal to 3 into, see, 12 3 is 36, okay, and minus 0, so that is equal to 36. So that is equal to 3 into 36 can be written as 3 into 6 into 9 into 3 into 9 into 4, okay. So you can see what we have, that is 3a, determinant of 3a is equal to 9 3 is 27 into 4, and you can see what is the determinant of a, that is equal to 4, so it will be 27 into 4, and 4 is determinant of a. So what we have from here, that is determinant of 3a is equal to 27 times determinant of a. Got it? So that is the proof of this. So from question number 2nd and question number 3rd, you can observe I am going to write here that what you observe. In question number 2nd, A is a matrix of order square, matrix of order 2, and in question number 3rd, A is a matrix of order 3. So 3A in that case becomes 3 to the power 3 and determinant of A, that is determinant of 3A is equal to 27 determinant of A. ये आया था, and in this case 2A, determinant of 2A is 4 times आया था, that can be written as 2 to the power 2 determinant of A, okay. Actually when we multiply this by K, so Ka, determinant of Ka will be K to the power 2, means its order, whatever the order of that matrix, determinant of A. And in this case you can see that is Ka, determinant of Ka will be K to the power 3 determinant of A, यही था, ओके. तो अगर कोई स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स है ऑफ ऑर्डर n, A अगर कोई स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स है ऑफ ऑर्डर n, देन Ka का जो डिटर्मिनेंट आएगा वो K टू द पावर n डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A हो जाएगा. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर, okay. Now I am going to rub this. Now question number, next question, I think question number 5. So read everyone, question number 5. Question number 5, evaluate the determinants. Question number 5, evaluate the determinants, that is 3, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 0, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 0. Again you can see this is a determinant of a square matrix of order 3. You can find out the determinant of a square matrix of order 3 by 6 ways according to any rows and any columns. देखो करते क्या है, उस रो या उस कॉलम का यूज करते हैं अपने कन्वीनियंस के लिए जिसमें मैक्सिमम जीरोज हो। ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि जिस भी रो या जिस भी कॉलम के रिस्पेक्ट में आप डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड आउट कर रहे हो, तो उस रो या उस पर्टिकुलर कॉलम के एंट्रीज को आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हो। तो जब जिस भी रो या जिस भी कॉलम में मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ जीरोज होंगे, जब उनको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो मैक्सिमम टर्म्स जीरो के टर्म में आएंगे और आपके लिए वो इजी हो जाएगा, क्योंकि वो टर्म जीरो हो जाएगा, कैलकुलेशन इजी हो जाएगा। इसलिए हमेशा ये ध्यान रखते हैं कि मैक्सिमम जीरोज किस में है, किस एंट्रीज में। तो आप देखो इसमें भी, इसमें ये जो सेकेंड रो है, सेकेंड रो में मैक्सिमम जीरो है, तो इसका यूज हम करेंगे, सेकेंड रो का यूज करके इस मैट्रिक्स का डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड आउट करेंगे। बहुत ही इजी है। देखो ये जीरो है तो फर्स्ट टर्म तो आपका जीरो आना है, प्लस ये भी जीरो है तो ये भी जीरो आना है। थर्ड में आ जाओ, ये कौन सी एंट्री है? दैट एंट्री रिलेटेड टू सेकेंड रो एंड थर्ड कॉलम, सो -1 टू द पावर सेकेंड रो थर्ड कॉलम, फिर मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस एंट्री and now find out the determinant of that matrix, which we can find out by leaving that row and that column. ये कौन सी रो है? सेकेंड रो से रिलेटेड है तो सेकेंड रो को आप छोड़ दो, और थर्ड कॉलम से रिलेटेड है थर्ड कॉलम को छोड़ दो। जो एंट्रीज बचती है दैट इज 3 -1 3 -5, इसका डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड आउट करो। तो ये एंट्री जीरो होना ही है, क्योंकि इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इस जीरो से जब भी किसी भी वैल्यू में मल्टीप्लाई करोगे आंसर जीरो आएगा। ये वैल्यू भी जीरो आनी है, तो दैट इज 0 + 0, एंड यही एक टर्म बचेगा। सो -1 टू द पावर 2 + 3 दैट इज 5. 5 is an odd number, so -1 to the power odd number is -1 into -1, and now this is a square matrix of order, this is a square matrix of order 2, and we have to find out its determinant. So how can we find out its determinant? By multiplying its diagonal entries, that is 3 into -5, that is -15, minus its off diagonal entries 3 into -1, that is -3. So minus minus, it will be +3. So we have from here, that is -1 into -1, that is +1, into -15 + 3 is -12. -15 + 3 is -12. So that is equal to -12. So determinant of this matrix is -12. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Find out determinant of A, where A is given, that is 1 1 -2 2 1 -3 5 4 -9. Okay, we have to find out determinant of A. Very easy. See, we have to find, I am going to find out determinant of A. You can see, मैंने आपको बताया कि we should use that row or that column in which maximum number of entries are 0. But you can see here no entries are is 0 here. So you can use any row or any column. So I am going to find out its determinant using its first row. So first row, what is this entry? That is 1th entry. First row, first column. So -1 to the power first row plus first column. Now multiply by this entry, that is into 1, into find out the determinant by leaving first row and first column. So leave this first row and first column. What we have? 1. This is -3. That is 4. That is -9. Plus again -1 to the power. Now we are finding out the determinant of this matrix according to first row. So now I am going to find out the term related to this one. This entry is related to first row and second column. So -1 to the power first row, second column, into multiply this entry, that is 1, into the determinant of that matrix, which we can find out by leaving first row and second column. So we have 2 -3. First row and second column को आप छोड़ दो, 2 -3 2 minus 3, 5 minus 9, plus now the term related to this entry, that is minus 1 to the power. This term is related to first row and third column into this entry, that is minus 2, this entry, that is minus 2, into the determinant of that square matrix, which we can find out by leaving this first row and third column, that is 2 1 5 4, 2 1 5 4. So now solve this. So determinant of A will be equal to what? See, this is minus 1 to the power 2, that will be plus 1. Minus 1 to the power 2 is plus 1. देखो ये alternate प्लस माइनस चलता रहता है. आप देखो ये प्लस आएगा, इसके लिए पॉजिटिव आएगा, इसके लिए निगेटिव आएगा, इसके लिए फिर से पॉजिटिव आएगा. तो ये प्लस 1 हो गया, into 1, that will be 1. And now find out the determinant of this one. 9 into minus 1 into minus 9, 1 into minus 9, minus 3 into 4, this one. Okay. And now the second term, this one. देखो अब minus 1 to the power 3. 3 is odd number, so minus 1 to the power 3 will be minus 1. Okay. यहाँ पे plus 1 आएगा क्योंकि पावर इवन है. यहाँ minus 1 आएगा क्योंकि पावर ऑड है. यहाँ पे फिर से plus 1 आएगा क्योंकि पावर इवन है. So now minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, into multiply this diagonal entries, that is 9 into 2 into minus 9, minus of diagonal entries minus 3 into 5. Okay. Now next plus, see again फिर से ये plus आएगा, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3, that is minus 1 to the power 4, and 4 is an even number, that's why minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1 into minus 2. So plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, and this one is 2 into 4 diagonal entry, minus 1 into 5 of diagonal entry. Now solve this, we can easily find out the determinant of A. That will be equal to, see, this is minus 9, and this is minus plus 4 3 are 12. Okay. And this is minus 1, this one is minus 18, and minus 1 is plus 3 5 are 15. After that, this is minus 2, and this is 4 2 are 8, minus 5 1 are 5. Now solve it. So we have plus 12 minus 9, that is 3, and this one is minus 18 plus 15, that is minus 3, into minus 1, that is plus 3, and this one is 8 minus 5, that is 3, and 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. Clearly this is 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. So determinant of A is 0. Determinant of this matrix is 0. Now students, read question number 7. Question number 7. See, question number 7 is, this is an equation. It is given, this is 2, this is 4, this is 5, this is 1 is equal to, this is 2x, that is 4, that is 6, that is x. Okay. We have to find out x. To find x. Okay. See, find out the determinant both sides. In the both side you can see they are the determinants of the square matrix of order 2. So how can we find out their determinant? By subtracting product of odd diagonal from the product of diagonal entries. So 2 into 1 minus 5 into 4 equal to 2x into x minus 6 into 4. So this one is 2 and 2 minus 20, that is 2x square minus 24. So from here what we have, 2x square is equal to, this is plus 24, and this one is 2 minus 20 is minus 18. So that is minus 24 minus 18 is 6. So from here x square is equal to 6 divided by 2. that is 3. So x is what? X is plus minus square root of 3. So x is plus minus square root of 3. You can check this is correct or not. That is 2 1 are 2, minus 5 4 are 20. So 2 minus 20 is minus 18, and this one is 2x square minus 24. Transfer 24 to right side. So 24 minus 18, that is plus 6. So x square will be plus 3, then x is plus minus root 3. Is it? It is correct. Now question number 8. The last question of this exercise. Question number 8. The same type question. If this is x to 18, x equal to 6 to 18, 6. Find x. X is equal to what? So find out the determinant of the given matrices both sides. Product of the diagonal entries x into x minus product of off diagonal entries 2 into 18 equal to product of diagonal entries 6 into 6 minus product of off diagonal entries 2 into 18. So you can see this is x square minus 18 to the 36 equal to this is 36 minus that is 36. So clearly here 36 minus 36 is 0. So from here x square is equal to 0 plus 36, that is 36. Then from here very easy, x is plus minus 6. The square root of 36 is plus minus 6. Okay. So that will be the value of x. So today we finished this exercise 4.1. Next time we will read some properties of determinant. That is very important for you. Every year a question of containing 4 marks comes in the examination in CBSE. So ready for next time. Thank you so much.